Why are you burning my face? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udoki Wagon. Welcome to the self-care family. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi, girl, boy, you're the real MVP for always tuning back in to watch me talk about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, and blogs. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one particular product that everybody on TikTok has been raving about. It has gone viral, people are buying it, and I felt the need to come on here and just talk about it so that you guys on YouTube who have like so many questions about this particular product can like watch my review and know my 2 cents about this product. So the product is none other than the infamous Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. So this is what it looks like. Now, before you get confused, there are 2 types that looks exactly like this. So there is this one that is written Hyaluronic Acid Toner Plus, that's the essence water, but this one is the proper toner, and this is the one I'm going to talk about today. Now, if you followed me in my skincare journey, one thing I will tell you is the fact that hyaluronic acid loves my skin, or my skin loves hyaluronic acid. Whenever I apply hyaluronic acid, I notice that there's a huge, like humongous difference in my skin. My skin feels more plump, more hydrated, more like the appearance is nice. My skin barrier is repaired. Like everything about my skin automatically change for the good whenever I apply hyaluronic acid. So like I usually rave or gravitate towards any product that contains hyaluronic acid because my skin really loves it. So that is the reason I picked up this particular product. Now let's read what is on the whatever this thing is called. So it is written Isntree 50% aqueous hyaluronic acid solution provide moisture to dry skin, refreshes and hydrates the skin. Hyaluronic acid toner. So every other thing that is written here is written in Korean, because this is a Korean skincare brand. So let's dive into it. So the major formulation of this product, the major, like most of the components of this product is hyaluronic acid, and which the reason for them like producing this particular product is to cater for hydration, especially for people who have drier skin. Now let me tell you one thing, I do have a super oily skin, super oily. Like once I get out of the bathroom and my skin is super dry, I don't apply anything, just give it less than 30 minutes, the amount of oil that my skin will produce, baby, let's not even talk about it. Or maybe when I wear makeup and I didn't prep my skin properly, that is how oily my skin is. However, regardless of the oil, it doesn't stop me from always keeping my skin hydrated, because I notice that whenever my skin is hydrated, my skin reduces the level at which it produces excessive oil. So that is one of the reasons I always gravitate towards hydrating products, more especially the ones that have hyaluronic acid in it. You apply these products, you apply it in the morning and at night. You can layer as much as possible. Like it leaves you very glowy when you use it. It runs super watery. Let me show you. It runs watery, but you can still feel that like it's not sticky, but it's not as watery. It just has that little drop, but it is not like sticky. It runs watery. I don't know how best to explain what I mean. You know when something is not watery but it's not also sticky, like it's in between, that is how this feels. That is why when you shake it, the lather that it brings out is like liquidy. Yeah, that's the right word. It is not watery, it's more like liquidy, like this is a quick demo of how, like, the very first time I reviewed this product and I posted it on TikTok. This is like a very quick demo of how I used it, and you can see. Yeah, let's just give it a little pause and allow it to like play down. Okay, let's get into it. Let's apply it on my skin before I give you my full-on take, because you can see that I've used a decent amount, though I haven't finished it, but I've used a decent amount, so I can actually give my review about this product. But before I give my final verdict about this product, let's quickly apply it. Decent amount, and I'll be applying it on my skin. Now, you apply it immediately after having your bath. You apply it like when your skin is damp, not wet but damp. So you apply it directly into your skin, gently rubbing it into your skin and allowing it to absorb properly. You can layer as much as possible. I got this product for 10,000 naira, I believe. Yeah, I got it for 10,000 naira. You can get it from any of your beauty supply shop. You can get it at MedPlus Pharmacy. You can get it from some of your skincare stores on Instagram. You can also get it from one of your skincare stores on TikTok. So this is how first layer looks like. I'll try and come closer, or I'll zoom in the camera closer to me so that you guys can see how it looks like. With me layering this on my skin, I can now start giving you my review. Now, when I first got this product, I was so happy, I was so excited about it. So on a regular basis, when I cleanse my face and then I apply this, I just keep having this very burning sensation, very burning sensation, and I'll be like, which product is making me have this burning sensation? Because I do not understand. And this is the very first time I've ever had an encounter like hyaluronic acid not being accepted by my skin. It probably is because of the way I pair my products. I switched up my products, but still using this. I was like, okay, I think it will be a lot better. Still did another routine, still this burning sensation. And I was like, you know what, I think it's my cleanser that is giving me this burning sensation. Using my cleanser, I went back to the cleanser I would normally use on a regular to see, because the one I use on a regular does not burn my face. I've tried it like several times, it doesn't burn my face. So I was like confident that okay, it's not going to burn. I used my cleanser, I used the Isntree Hyaluronic acid toner, but then why are you burning my face? I was now wondering, is it the other product I was pairing it up with? So one of the days I didn't use this particular toner. I just cleansed my face and used my other routine. I didn't get any burning sensation. That was when I realized that it is actually this product that is burning my skin. And at the moment, I am feeling that burning sensation on my skin again, and that is the reason I haven't finished this particular product. It's still breaking me out, and then it's still burning my face. I know a lot of people rave about this, how fantastic it is and all of that. I really had high hopes for it, especially because it has nice packaging, the clear texture of this particular product, the consistency, how it's not overly thick that it feels heavy on my skin. Like, it's really lightweight, and the way like it's not really runny or really thick. I really had high expectations for this particular product, but this burning sensation, I thought, I was like, probably I'm the one. Probably I'm not using this product very well. Probably I bought fake. But then I went online. One of the skincare enthusiasts that I follow, she was just talking about when you start a new routine and then something just goes off and then you're trying to figure out what happened. I was like, oh, honestly, this same thing happened to me. I wasn't even expecting it, but it happened. She was like, which product is that? I said, oh, it's the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. She was like, the Isntree toner. That was what I told her. And then she was like, which particular one? She said, I told her the hyaluronic. She was like, same. Doing something wrong. Am I applying it the wrong way? Because obviously toners is supposed to be applied immediately after having your bath. Like, once you cleanse your skin, you apply it on your face. Am I doing it all wrong? The texture is really nice. The packaging is really nice. For the content you're getting out of this 200 ml, I think it is quite on the affordable side. Not like it's not cheap. This particular product is not cheap, but I feel like it's on the affordable part. Like if you have your money, you can easily splurge on this, especially for the quantity you are getting. You're going to use it for a very long time and you're going to feel hydrated. I know a lot of skincare gurus, they'll be like, oh, hyaluronic acid is basic. Well, tell that to your skin, not mine. The same way a lot of people say, oh, vitamin C does not fade out dark spots. Say that to your skin, not mine. Because when it comes to my skin, some of those products that you see as underrated ingredients, they really work for my skin. I just looked at my skin in the mirror and it looks very amazing. Like it sits super nice on the skin. If you have oily skin, trust me, you're going to love this particular product. But this burning sensation, I do not understand, and it was breaking me out. Like, not full-on breakout that my face feels bad, but like every time I apply it, when I wake up in the morning, there is just one white head just saying hi to me, and then by the end of the day it's gone. And then if I apply it again, there's another white head saying hi to me. So it's not full-on breakout that I have a lot of rashes on my face, but you always see that one white head saying hi to me on the, like, on my face, like, hi, did you miss me? I'm here. So the pros and the cons: first of all, it is fast absorbing. Secondly, it's very lightweight, very like you wouldn't even feel like there's something on your skin. It's very blendable. The texture is really nice. It is not watery, it is not sticky either. Like, it hydrates your skin in the most beautiful and amazing way. However, the con is the fact that it burns my skin. Burns. Like, it feels like there's fire on my skin. I don't know why. I don't know if it's probably my own skin type, but it burns my skin in the worst ways. I do not feel comfortable at all with the way it's burning my skin. And then with the acne that I told you, like, whenever I apply it, there's always one white head saying hi to me. So aside from that, these are my ratings for it. If I'm to rate it between like a 1 to 100, I will rate it just a 50. Some people, it might work for them because this product has gone really viral on TikTok, on Instagram, like literally everywhere. A lot of people are raving about it. So will I really recommend it? No. But if someone asks me, is this product nice? I will say it is nice. However, just know that there are certain skin types that it will burn their skin and also give a little bit of acne. But if you can move past that, it is really an amazing product. Might possibly get the hyaluronic acid toner plus, which is the essence water, to do like a side-by-side comparison. So with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you like this sort of content where I talk about skincare that I've used, give you guys review and recommendations of which to buy and which not to buy, please leave a comment on the comment section. Also, do well to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also hit the bell button beside the subscribe button so that it notifies you whenever I make a new upload. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. So then I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye.